Our pick for the best budget ergonomic gaming keyboard, the Perixx Periduo 512B, offers an ergonomic design that reduces strain during long gaming sessions. While the Perixx Periduo 512B might not be the top pick for hardcore gamers, its budget-friendly price and comfort make it a great choice for casual play. It doesn't have any backlighting, nor is it customizable. Where it rocks is the layout gives you comfort for long gaming sessions. Does not boast about anti-ghosting or N-key rollover, and it's a full-size keyboard. The Perixx Periduo 512B is molded for comfort, but it is great for gamers who are worried about injuries from repetitive strain at a good price. This is a great choice as an ergonomic keyboard for a casual gamer. More info in the description, including a link to the product and a link to a blog post.